Welcome to Apple Trending. Today video live proof how to unlock passcode on iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch. Don't miss any parts. Let's start the video. iPhone is disabled, but don't worry. Follow me. After dialing it code, you have to click on the dialer repeatedly again to again. If you want to unlock password of your phone, so comments me. I will answer everyone. I will tell the issue of everyone mobile. But please subscribe my channel Apple Trending and press the bell icon to receive notification about all new videos. Here you can see appears on screen our mobile is gone on Apple logo. Wait a minute, let it finish. I forward the video or else the video will be too long. Please press to home. I will show you after setup. Welcome to iPhone. Hey guys, you can see appears on screen passcode unlock any Apple iPhone iOS device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.